Good day, everybody. My name is Sandeep Seth, and I like to call myself a decision scientist, which is a more inclusive term than data science. So it takes me great pleasure to do the course introduction for Decision Science Essentials Basic Edition. Let's start by understanding what is data science. It's an application of three things: the business domain, knowledge of maths and statistics, and technology like Python, Excel, etc., to identify patterns in the data that helps the company make important business decisions. If you're looking for a career in data science, and really that's it, job families, then you're in a good position. India has 2.7 million open positions for data science, and US has 200,000. This gap continues to increase every year, and the salaries in this space are amongst the highest in IT. Irrespective of whether you aspire for a career in data science, a solid foundation in this field will always give you a boost in your career. Why is that so? There is a shortage of 1.5 million business analysts in the US alone. Number two is that problem solving has consistently been seen as an important skill set amongst the top three that various companies around the world across sectors look for. Unfortunately, many other training programs don't focus on the art and science of problem solving, whereas we make it a very integral part of our training programs. So that was about the opportunity. Let's look at data science in practice. The fact is that 87% of data science projects don't get to production. Why is that? Two main reasons: lack of business sponsorship and lack of understanding of the data pipeline. Why is that so? Well, most courses are taught by IT experts or by professors coded to the mathematics department. Hence, the courses are heavy on the IT side, namely R or Python, and or are heavy on the maths theory part. How to secure and maintain a strong business engagement is usually not known to these instructors. So what ends up happening is that students spend months learning a programming language like R or Python, and at the end of this program, which is usually at least 3 to 6 months in duration, they are still unclear as to how to apply data science to a varied set of business problems. At DecisionScience.ai, we take a techno-commercial approach. For us, it's about enabling business decisions through data science, hence the name Decision Science. In an action-packed 4-week bootcamp through two powerful case studies, we start by first defining the problem that the CEO of a car company faces. To get to this problem, we use techniques used by premier consulting companies. Then we plan for analysis, assess the data needs, define the data pipeline, and use Excel to complete the analysis. As a side note, why Excel? Well, it's easier to learn, and some of you might already be using Excel in your schools, colleges, or careers. Excel is used by over 1 billion people worldwide, compared to 3 million who use R and about 10 million who use Python. And it is by far the largest business analytics platform that is out there, with a lot of AI plugins, both free and paid for. Coming back to the main topic, then we learn Python basics and execute the analytics for the cards case study in Python. Relevant mathematical concepts will be explained through various techniques at the required level of detail. Finally, the student will do a project on the housing data set, which is a celebrated data set on Kaggle. In summary, within 4 weeks, this course will expose you to the various tools and techniques needed for problem solving. We'll expose you to the most important mathematical concepts such as probability and statistics, and we'll do so in a simple, practical manner. We'll teach you concepts first through Excel and then through Python. We teach basic Python in this course to the extent needed to solve the case studies. We will help you set up your Kaggle and GitHub account and provide practical tips on how to smartly leverage social media to meet your career objectives.